everyone.
Happy New Year's Eve. We're spending our last day of the year at Busch Gardens in Tampa Bay.
Tampa, Florida? Is the same thing?
Tampa,
I
Florida.
don't know.
It's not the Bay, Tampa, Florida.
Kids!
Happy New Year! New Year! Have a good New Year!
Alright, you guys. So again, we are here at Busch Gardens. This is amusement park number
8 of the year.
You're supposed to put your 4 with me. I can count you guys.
4.
8. Alright, you guys, we have a 110-minute wait. We've been online almost 2 hours. Hey. Okay. Hi, Leroy. Hi, Liam.
Put your hands up for these, okay?
Oh. Whoa.
From the Cobras.
Oh, here we go, here we go.
Great question. Now we're spinning.
I got you, Liam. Let's go. Here we go, backwards.
Backwards. Here we go.
How was that? How was that? How was it, Lynn?
I think we should.
Just got off the Cobra. How was it?
Intense.
How was it,
That
Liam?
was the first time on a backwards.
How was it? Okay, how was it, Leroy?
It's a good coaster. It's good.
Good coaster?
Is it worth 2 hours?
It was great, guys. Enjoy. Happy New Year. Huh? Look, I'm sweating. I'm sweating from being on the ride.
You see that blue ride? We just got off.
I see, honey.
There's only one club.
Oh, Lord.
What was that? How it tells my
Look, look.
They make you go to a gift shop.
Yeah. What? Look how hype. Yo, the kids are so hype, you guys. Can we get out the door first, please? Yeah. Oh, and there's a playground. Happy New Year. All right, you guys. So we have about, what, 5 hours?
5
So 4 hours to like really take in the last moments of 2024. Who's pumped, y'all? They're ready. So the kids are gonna actually be little kids for the rest of the evening. We found out the next coaster's line is about 2.5 hours. So
We're not gonna do that.
you're not gonna do that, right? Let's go over
At
here.
least we went on a spinning coaster.
Yes. So we'll be back here in the morning. As for now, we're just gonna let the kids be kids. Oh, you wanna see it? Look. All right, you guys. So we're about to get on the most intense coaster
At Busch Gardens
at
Tampa.
Busch Gardens. Makai and Liam, you guys ready for this? We're in this baby coaster together right now. It's tight. Look at the boys.
Cobras much more scarier than this.
Hi, guys.
Cobras much more scarier than this.
Yeah? Oh, Lord. What if we crisscross our legs?
I'm so scared! Oh my goodness!
Let's see, guys.
Hold on, guys. Here we go.
And we are up!
Oh!
I told him we're going on a hill like
Entrance right here. They got the pizza. You got your own. I see. You got your own pizza, buddy. You hear me? This is the line to get in.
This is craziness, huh? Which way? Left or right? Left or right? This way? Anywhere. What do you think? Okay. Tired. It is 11:11.
I ain't Quasi.
Look at Iron Quasi.
Yeah,
It's hard to see it. It's so foggy out here. It's so foggy. Yeah, baby.
This is your call?
Tired.
Tired, man.
Tired. You gotta wake up, baby. You gotta wake up. Oh! Did you see that? They're practicing and getting ready.
Look, here it goes.
Okay. That was amazing.
2025 right now.
2025, you guys. Wow. Happy New Year. Oh my gosh. Crazy. 2025, you guys. That was amazing. It's probably one of my most memorable New Year's Eve celebrations.
2025 is in the books.
That was amazing. Happy New Year's, you guys. We love you. Thank you always.
So now it's gonna be a madhouse trying to get back to the car.
It's gonna be insane. The crowd leaving, guys. So we are staying a night here in Tampa. It was a.m. now, but so it's 1:24. So it took us over an hour
To get out.
to leave Busch Gardens, but we made it. 5 minutes down the road. Let's check in.
Happy New Year, guys. So
Happy
today,
New Year's.
we are back at Busch Gardens for the first of the year.
Yep, day 2.
Day 2.
Day 2. So last night we were only able to get on
2 rides.
1.5 coasters. 1.5 because one was an intense and one was what'd you say? A baby. Wait.
Sesame plate.
It was a what?
A baby.
It was a baby coaster. But you liked it though, right? Yeah. Liam's ready for something crazy.
My favorite thing was the Helix.
Oh. They're all. Okay, this is where we're headed, you guys. This is our next ride. There it is. Okay, less than an hour. Less than an hour.
That's the best.
So that's the best. Yes, you can go.
That's my bottle.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Yeah, you ready? Yeah, you ready?
Is he okay?
Yeah, he's fine. Ready, buddy? Huh? You ready? There's no brakes. Here we go, Liam. Hands up, Liam. Yeah,
I didn't even scream.
you did. How you like it?
Mommy, look, mine is like this.
How was it? How was it? Good? Push. Push. I got you. Good job. How was it?
Oh my god! I tried not to scream, but I did not. I put my hands down only one part.
I had my hands up for 3 parts.
The Christmas snow's
I won the beat. Hey, Liam. Say hi to the camera. Hi! Hey, don't talk smack. I got to go first, so I can help him get out.
Welcome aboard, new riders. Remember to put all hats, bags, bottles, phones, etc. into the red bins to your left. They cannot be on the run with you.
Why is it very fun? I just feel good. Hey, look, Liam. That's funny, right?
All right, guys, please back away from the gates. We are.
That was quick. That's how it goes. Hands up. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. Hey, I'm with my hand up the whole time right now. Yeah, bro. Don't touch smash now. Because the YouTubers will hear it. Yeah. I don't want the YouTubers to hear it.
Platform clear, dispatch, here we go.
Here we go, riding the Air Grover at where are we at? Busch Gardens. This is Tampa. Hi. Dad.
Yeah. But you actually seeing them swim. It's so cute. Look at him. Look. He's like hopping. Oh, look. Look at that little honey.
Roll like a ball. Roll like a ball. Put your squat down. Wrap it, so hold your knees. Hold your knees and roll forward. All right, yeah, go up.
All right, you guys, so we're gonna try the food here at Village Walk, is it?
I think a Christmas walk.
I'm not sure. Christmas Walk, but they have foods.
Can I get more steak?
Yes.
You want more? So Liam says it's good. Let's see. Daddy's gonna give him some. Let's
Yeah,
see.
it's like a 10.
It's like a 10?
This tastes like something the steak I ate before.
Oh, yeah?
Okay. All right, so you give it a thumbs up? Ooh, 2 thumbs up.
Actually, it's not 2.
Oh.
10. You spent our money.
Your money?
Don't you guys spend hours?
Where you guys work at?
We work chores.
Oh, you do chores? What chores?
Oh, like that one I cleaned up the toys.
That one time you cleaned up the toys? Is that what you just said? That one time you cleaned up the toys.
Yeah, the one the time I gave
Wait, hold on.
That's
I can't hear you.
what.
How much money did you make cleaning up your toys?
$200.
$200? And who paid you $200 to clean up your toys?
Daddy.
Where was I at?
That's a good
You were
question.
home.
Mommy should be a millionaire because I clean up everything. It's about I wasn't
He
home.
said that's a store. But you're poor because you don't do anything.
I'm poor because I don't do anything.
Wait, Mom, look. Mom.
Yeah.
Look, he's giving us thousands of dollars for doing this.
Oh my God. Thousands of dollars for touching your leg. What are you, the prince of...